Look at how straight that is. There's just always something satisfying about straight, orderly lines. But this is how the image was before I did a photo perspective correction in Luminar Neo. My name is Philipp and I am a Germany-based photographer, and if you take photos at all, you will eventually run into the issue of perspective correction. So let me show you how to quickly fix that in the Luminar Neo editing software. Plus an example to use photo perspective correction to create better photos in general. So I already loaded in the photo. To do the photo perspective correction, we will simply open the develop module and head down to transform. The aspect ratio will pull the photo on the longer or the shorter side. We don't need that right now. What we do want is the horizontal and vertical slider. Check it out. If we push the vertical slider to the left, you can see how the image is basically tilted forward and the perspective changes. You can do this until you reach the look you want. Careful though, if you go too far on the left or right, it'll start to distort the image. I also notice I have a slight fisheye effect actually, so we can use the lens distortion slider under optics to fix that and make the image even more symmetric. Check out the before and after. Nice, right? You do lose some information in the image, but in Luminar Neo that is a trade-off for such a photo perspective correction. But this was just the vertical slider, so let's use actually an example with the horizontal slider that you of course can also use for photo perspective corrections. This is an unedited photo from Egypt. They have wild dogs everywhere. Now I love the sort of lonely feeling of the image, but this side here doesn't work for me. So I could now just crop and that's it, but that doesn't look right. Instead, let's use the horizontal transform slider to change the photo's perspective. If I move it to the left side of the image with the doggo will enlarge. This enhances the lines on the wall and create even more depth, and it enlarges the subject. We can even add some vertical adjustment to fix the bottom part of the photo. And look at that before and after. Definitely better than cropping, I feel. You can then go ahead and add a vignette, add some sharpness into the doggo as the main subject, create a nice gradient to darken the foreground, and maybe add a color mood. So with some very basic photo perspective correction tools and some basic adjustments, we created a wonderful emotional image. If you do like Luminar Neo, of course you can use the link in the description as well as the promotional code Let's Image to save $10 or euros or whatever currency. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button if you so desire. And as always, stay safe and have a good one.